Let's go live. Let's go live so that you can, join us live on direct again. So yeah, I think I'm live on YouTube. So yeah, that's it. Going live on YouTube. Yeah, we are live and direct now on YouTube as well. So no need for you guys premium students to like go on YouTube because you already have the Zoom link. So we are on Zoom, whereby on YouTube it's just the live forex trading, so they won't be able to see some stuff that we are doing. If going to annotate something or things like that, they won't be able to see because it is live on YouTube, right? So yeah, what I was trying to say is that you see that the market is downtrending here. So this is what we refer as our lower low, right? At this point, this is lower low. Then here, this is lower high, and lower high, it is a retracement for a downtrending market. This is another lower low. Then this is another lower high. Then this is another lower low, right? And also this is another lower high. So you see that what the market is supposed to do right here now, the market is supposed to come back down again to make another lower low like this, and it will give us a confirmation of saying, okay, the market is actually a downtrending market and it will continue to move down to the downside, right? Hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. You can unmute your mic so that we can just make this a conversational class, because it is very, very important since you guys are the premium students, right? So that we can just kind of interact and things like that. Or you can chat so that I can see your chat as well, as usual, because that's how we do it. All right, so let me just share the link and everything to our free students so that they can join us on YouTube. So link copy, sent to them. Keep holding the trade, guys, because me personally, I'm holding it. So then later on I will set some stop loss and things like that, then I will send it to you guys, right? So just hold the trade and let's see what's gonna happen right now. So yeah, this is what I was talking about, saying that this is it's supposed to give us another move, saying that it is gonna be lower low, but the market is unable to do that. Rather than the market start to range, and right here this is a ranging market, and actually this usually happens when we are in London session, and now when we are in a what do you call it, Asian session, not London session. So yeah, but what we saw here now is that we see a break out of this ranging market. Then what are we supposed to wait is, we are supposed to wait for the market to retrace. Then we look out for entry points right here and ride it all the way to the upside, right? So that's the reason why we took a buy on Euro JPY right now. This is what happened next. So yeah, I think by this you guys are able to understand exactly why we execute this a buy on Euro JPY, because it is very, very important for you to know what I'm personally doing and what I'm checking out in the forex market, right? So if you put your price range here now, you see, so meaning that this zone right here, it is a ranging market, and whenever time you see a breakout either to the downside or to the upside, definitely you just wait for retracement back to that level in order for you to determine where the market direction is going to go next, right? And of course that's what happened now on Euro JPY. So you see this Euro JPY 1 hour time frame, now you see what exactly happened. Compare it to the one that I was kind of showing you guys. You see, this is it, this is it, this is it. Boom, break out of this structure, and now it retraces back down to this structure, and this is the tweezer's bottom right here. This is tweezer's bottom, engulfing candle, whatsoever you call it, right? So now this is where we execute our trade, riding it all the way to our final take profit, 430 pips now, right? So you guys are seeing the practical aspect of it, right? So it is very important for you to understand all of these moves and things like that in the forex market whenever time you're trying to do it, right? Because it is very, very important, guys. So yeah, is there any question, guys, before we proceed with other stuffs, and so that I can set a stop loss, take profit, and things like that on this Euro JPY trade? So yeah, we are on buy now, Euro JPY, um, right here. So yeah, you can just let me know if there's any questions before we proceed. Is there any question? Come on, ITT. Is there any question, guys, before we continue? Okay, I guess there's no question. So yeah, since there's no question, we'll continue with what we are doing so far, right? All right, so we will continue with it, and so let me clear all of this. After clearing all of this, then I'll set stop loss, take profit, and things like that before we can continue. So yeah, just exercise some patience while I'm manually cleaning all of this, because that's how it is, right? So I see somebody is chatting us and saying can I enter after a retracement on Euro JPY? You can see enter, but right now it is the right time to enter. If you have not entered it, it is the right time to enter. So don't miss this opportunity right now, because retracement had happened and now I'm expecting it to continue to push back up to the upside. So don't miss this opportunity right now. Right now is the right time to enter, because I'm already in the trade, and I told you guys that I bought Euro JPY and things like that, right? So you can go down to our premium channel and check it out, because I'm about to set first TP, second TP, and final take profit right now. So you have to just check it out, man. Just check it out. Let me record this so that we can have it as well, right? So yeah, you can check it out, and so we can continue with what we are supposed to do. All right, so let me go down to time frame now on Euro JPY and set my first TP, second TP, and things like that, so that we can have a clear understanding of what's going on here. V75, I'm in a buy as well. We are in buy already on V75. So let me check our trade as well on volatility 75. Volatility 75. Yeah, I'm in a buy and we are in profit right now. So it is what it is, guys. That's just how it is. You know, we do this always, man. I spend 24 hours here in the office doing this for 5 days in a week, you know. So that's just how it is. We do this every time, and we know what we are doing in the first market, right? So yeah, those of you that are watching on YouTube, you know, thank you very much for checking on us. And if today is the first time here, you know, why not give this video a thumbs up, and also share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel and things like that, right? Also follow us on our social media platforms. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and you know, all of our social media platforms. So yeah, like you see, so let's continue. Okay, somebody's saying that hello, how are you? Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. How much VIX 75 signal good price? Yeah, that's we charge $40 for that. We charge $40 for that, and VIP signals channel for currency pairs we charge $50. Well, by the premium channel we charge about $300 for that, right? So that's just how it is, and that just it. It's nothing of a big deal or whatsoever. Yeah, so that's what is happening, guys, and I'm in a buy now on Euro JPY. Let me set stop loss, take profit, and things like that before I send it to my students, right? So yeah, like I said, we are in a buy now on volatility 75. So yeah, I'm in a buy since yesterday, and I will send you guys the screenshot and things like that, or the screen record of it and things like that, right? So yeah, let's just wait for the market to give us the perfect move that we've been waiting for, right? So since I'm risking 60 pips on this Euro JPY trade, and this is where I got in around price 129.077. That's where I got in on Euro JPY. So I'm about to set stop loss, take profit right now. Though I have my stop loss, so remember for me to set take profit, right? Of course, I explained why I took this trade just now to our students, and because some of them are already on Zoom with us, right? So let me set stop loss take profit for Euro JPY, guys. Then I'll send it to you, right? But let me send it to our free Telegram channel as well, so that they will not miss it out, right? So let me set stop loss take profit so that we can have our data correctly. Right, sending it now. Euro JPY. Okay, my entry point is 129.077. Then I'm risking 60 pips. I'm risking 60 pips to make 130 pips, so that's 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. And the stop loss is around price 128.470. Then the first TP is around price 129.382. 29.382. Then second TP, which is gonna be for 50 pips. 50 pips. If I shift this back up to 50 pips now, that's going to be around price 129.582. Yeah. Then our final take profit is around 130 pips. Yup, it's 130 pips, so that's around price. Let me check that out. So that's around price 130.382. So I set stop loss, take profit, and things like that for Euro JPY buy now. So Euro JPY buy. So now I'm going to set stop loss and take profit for our second trade, and this second trade I'm not going to be sending it to the to free chart and things like that, because it's going to be our second private signal, right? So I'm saying the stop loss, take profit, and everything for you guys for this first trade. About the second trade, it is private, so ready for you to get all things that I offer, right? So yeah, that's first TP, second TP, and things like that on now for Euro JPY. Let's go down to 1 hour time frame. I think we'll monitor this on 1 hour time frame as well. So yep, this is it on the 1 hour time frame. And now let me go and copy it from the channel so I can come and paste it in here and things like that, right? So this is it, and that's it right now. Hopefully you guys have seen what I'm doing, right? Because it is very important if you can see it. But if you cannot see it, you know, you can still let me know and say, hey Israel, I'm not seeing what you're doing, and things like that. So yeah, somebody's asking question. Oscar, please can you send the markup for Euro JPY for alpha time frame to the premium group chat? I sent it, check it. I sent the analysis for Euro JPY, I think so. Check it, check the premium group chart. You know, you have to check something first. See it in the premium group chart. You have to check something first before you ask, you know. It is in the group chart, man. So check it out. Just go to our premium group chat, you will see it. Oscar is in there. I've sent the analysis for our time frame analysis. Is right there in our premium group chat. You can just go there and check it out. Just scroll up, you will see it. I don't know if you are able to see that now. I checked, but it is not full. I want to see where you want trend line. It is full, man. It is full. Complete. That's the analysis I did. Um, you can just ask your question right now because you are able to ask. You can ask your question. Just unmute yourself and ask it. Oscar, over to you. Yeah. Okay. Make I make I show you for here. Ah. See waiting console for you. More speak pidgin now. Abi. Ah. Oh yeah, now. So you see, where I come plot and believe. Um, the thing they be saying now for daily time frame you feel see am very well, but this very one now for this for our time frame I take for so there's nothing much. So, huh? We go talk down for the private group chat because I know I made this shit down for here. So you get that. No worry, we go talk am. We go talk am. So yeah, let's continue with this stuff first. Yeah. Oh, no problem, bro. Thank you very much as well. You're welcome. All right, so let's just do this. So yeah, I was trying to copy the stop loss and take profit and things like that for this. So let me paste it here as well so that you can take a look of it. This is it. So no need of this entry point anymore because the entry point is right there. And what I'm gonna do is I will increase this to let's make it 4D so that you guys can open your eyes like big so you can see it, right? Come on, everybody. So it is what it is, man. So yeah. That's just it. So let me publish this as well to my profile because this is a free trade for everybody. So those who followed me on trading view as well can have a take a look of this and so that they can know why I'm trading this, right? So I'm gonna say Euro JPY 1 hour time frame analysis. Time frame analysis. You know, the market was down, trending, not according to my technical analysis, downtrending, and according to my technical analysis. Which kind of technical analysis is this, man? Technical analysis, I observed that it has formed a reversal pattern, and I also had my 45 signal confirmation. 45 signal confirmation. What am I writing, man? That's why I execute a buy. That's just it. So I'm gonna say analysis, long category, trend line, then candlestick here, multiple time frames. Yep, that's 3, Then I'm gonna see Euro JPY. Then Euro JPY short. Nah, Euro JPY long, man, not short. Come on, everybody. It is what it is, man. So if you have a lot of things to do, that's what is actually happening. Forecast, then Euro JPY trade, and Euro JPY signal. I think I'm good to go like that. Then boom, just uploaded that now. So yeah, I think it will be on my profile, and you can go there and check it out as well, right? So you can go there and check it out, and that's just it, man. That's just it. Boom. And if you are not following me on TradingView, you can go there, follow me. I do publish some of my ideas and things like that right on TradingView, but not everything. I don't publish everything. So if it is a free signal like this, I'll just go there, publish it. That's it. Not me publishing all things that I'm doing or every trade that I'm taking. Right? I don't publish. I gotta be honest with you guys. Now, for me, like try to just get you and tell you all of these things. Like just say how much balance. Because okay, I'm having some question on YouTube. Somebody is saying that how much balance I need to trade with VIX 75 VIO signal. Volatility 75. If you are new forex trader, is not something that I will advise you to get in, right? Because that pair is insane. It will just finish you, like finish you. You know what I mean by finish you? So, like just say, it's not something that I can say. Okay, you can do this, you can do that. Nah, but I can advise you if you are a new forex trader. The first thing that you're supposed to do is understand how the market moves. Not you trying to trade all of these volatile pairs if somebody is making money on it, right? Of course, you can still make money. I'm not saying that you cannot make money on the volatility 75, US 30, Nasdaq, all of these volatile pairs. But if your account balance is low, it's better for you to look out for currency pairs and things like that, so you can trade it right there. So that's it. And yeah, and according to the balance that you need in order for you to kind of trade volatility 75 at least $1,000. You can still trade it with 500, but 1,000 will kind of give you the ability to trade it very well. So that's it. All right, so somebody is saying 3,075,000. Come on, what's that mean? FX dealer, come on, bro, what are you talking about? FX dealer load. Okay, sup my brother, how are you doing, bro? Thank you very much for joining. I appreciate your presence right here, man. Yeah, just give this video a thumbs up, guys, if today is the first time here. Share with your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel and things like that, right? So because we do trade live and direct with you guys right now, as you guys can see, we are in Euro JPY trade, and it is a buy, right? We are in a buy. So let me put my levels. So first tip is around 129,382, 129,382. So I want to put them so that I can understand where my stop loss and take profit is, right? 382. Let me just leave it like that. Then second take profit 129,582, 129,582. Excuse me. That's it. Then final take profit is 130 pips, and it is right here. So those are the levels that we are supposed to look at when we are in this trade, right? So let's wait for it to come up and hit our first take profit and things like that, guys. So yeah, if you are premium students, you are still on Zoom, you can either chat and ask a question. Please, where do you think it's proper to place take profit on B75, sir? If you don't mind, ask. Thank you. All right. I'll show you that in a few minutes, but let me finish this. I'll show you that in a few minutes. Let me just finish this. All right. So let me kind of specify what they mean, right? Stop loss for this one is for minus 60 pips, so that's what I'm risking on this now. Of course, if you're not comfortable risking on this, you can get out of your trade, man, since we are already in profit, right? Since we are already in profit. And then the next thing is I'll see entry points, which is here. That's our entry points. That's it. And also gonna go around and do some stuff. This is a false TP, and it's for plus 30 pips. Plus 30 pips, so that you guys can understand why I'm putting all of this, right? Because I don't want you to just get confused of, oh, Israel, why are you plotting all of these levels and things like that. So I think if I do it this way, it will help you to kind of understand exactly why I'm doing it, right? Second TP for plus 50 pips. This is second TP right now, and also final TP for 130 pips. That's the final TP before plus 100, no, not 150, 130 pips. So yeah, hope you guys understand why I put all of those levels now, right? So this is everything about it, and we are ready to go. And that just it, man. Yeah, like I said earlier on, if you have any question, you can let me know. Be it VIP, be it premium, or anybody at all. If you are watching live on YouTube, you can ask your questions by texting it in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it. Also, if you are our premium students and you're watching it on Zoom right now, you can still ask your question by either unmuting yourself and talk to me and ask a question, or you can still chat in the live chat section, and also I'll be able to see it, right? So let me go around to volatility simplifier. I think what you ask of where exactly take profit is gonna be. So yeah, right now where your take profit is supposed to be, it depends on the type of trader you are, right? This is where you're supposed to put your take profit. This is where your take profit is supposed to be, but before that it has to break out of this. It has to break out of this before you can consider it as your take profit. So this is it now. Between these two levels, list very one around price 883713.05. That's where your take profit is gonna be. Or okay, let me just specify 880731.78. That's where you can set your take profit. And also another alternative of take profit is 827065.47. 827065.47. That's another place that you can set your take profit. But most importantly, wait for the market to completely break out of this as well. Out of this structure, you are seeing that the market is still around this area, right? Wait for it to break up, and you see that it has broken up and reached there. So now wait for it to continue to push back up to the upside in order for you to continue to follow your trade. Right? Hope you understand what I mean now. Wasu, I think Wasu, yeah, Wasu. Hope you understand what I meant, right? Because that's it. If you did not understand it, you can still ask me, and I will gladly answer your questions again. Because I have to answer you to make you understand why we are doing all of this and things like that, right? Right, all right. So let's go back down to our currency pairs. Okay, this is currency pair already. So this is Euro JPY. And let me check Euro USD because I wanted to just check. Nah, nothing interesting on Euro USD, man. CHF JPY. Yep. CHF JPY. I'm still in my trade from last week, right? See that the market now broke out of this, so it will continue to go back up and hit our financial profit. Same thing with CAD JPY. I mean CAD JPY as well. And if you are not yet in CAD JPY, you can still get in and ride it all the way to the upside. I'm still in CAD JPY, guys. I'm still in it. So it's not up to you if you want to still get in on CAD JPY and things like that. But me personally, I'm still in CAD JPY, CHF JPY. So those are the trade I'm in, and also I'm in Euro JPY now and things like that. All right, guys, let me check. Okay, so this is GBP JPY. So yeah, GBP JPY actually what's happening on it now is kind of interesting, right? But I think I was trying to explain something yesterday to our students, premium students, when we were having our Zoom call, right? That's where you have all of these levels here. But let me remove all of them so that it will not confuse you, right? Because that was for VIP, that was for premium students anyway. GBP USD, boom. GU now, after hitting our stop loss last week, now it's trying to come back up to the upside. So let's see if it will give us a perfect entry point. But right now there is no need to get in because of what is happening right now on Euro JP, I mean on GBP USD, right? So let's continue to monitor our trade on Euro JPY, guys. And like I said earlier on, if there's any other question, you can let me know before we continue, right? So yeah, this is our trade right now on Euro JPY. So we are still in it, man. We are still in it, right? So yeah, like we do earlier on, or like we usually do right here on ITT. If there's any other pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can say, hey Israel, please can you analyze this pair and things like that before we continue, right? So you can just ask if there's any other pair you want me to analyze for you. All right, so let's continue with all of this. Okay. All right. That's just it, guys. Let me check fundamentals so that I can have clear vision of what's going on in the market and things like that. So today we'll be having Monday 29 March. This GBP, okay, GBP again. then you have FOMC. Okay, there's no much. There's no much, yeah, not much happening according to fundamentals. So let me check my FX book and see what's going on here as well. Okay, there's not much happening today, guys. There's not much happening today according to fundamentals. So let's see what exactly is going to happen. But according to fundamentals right now, there's not much happening. Nothing much happening. So let's see. Let's see if all right. That's it, man. We are still in profit, bro. Come on, everybody. We are in profit, so let's just get it. Continue holding, right? So yeah, I think there's no any other question from you guys, right? So this is what it is. All right. So that's just it. I think we'll end the call now. I'll call it a day, right? So I'll come and see you guys later on. If I'm checking my trade and things like that, I'll come and check on you guys, right? It is very, very important. So, and of course, before I go, if there's any other question, you can still ask somebody. Okay, somebody saying cut your chair. Choose Oscar. Asking cut your chair. Cut your chair supposed to be somewhere. This is Garcia Jeff. I'm gonna remove frame. There's nothing much interesting on Garcia Jeff right now. But I can see that there is a trend line on Garcia Jeff. So if this trend line got broken, then you can expect a retracement before gonna continue to push back to the downside, right? So this is the trend line on this Garcia now 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame, and this is the trend line that I'm seeing on this Garcia chip. Yep. Hope you are able to see what I'm doing, right? This is Garcia chip, and what I'm seeing now is that I'm seeing that the market is trying to come back down to this. So this is 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna change the color to pink. This is it. And there's another one here. There's another one here. And we are having another one. So you see what CHF is doing right now is that CHF is trying to come back down. So this is what CHF will do to come down to this level, and if it breaks out of that to come down to this trend line before we can now see a move back up to the upside. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on CHF right now. So that's it, man. That's it. And make sure you look out for some sort of candlestick confirmations before you get into this trade, because that's how it is. Very, very important. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on CHF, guys. Is there any question anymore before I call it a day? So in the absence of that, I think now call it a day, and I will see you next time when I'm about to check the trade and things like that. So I want to just go and pay attention to some of our trade, set stop loss, take profit, and things like that for our second trade of the day, right? Because we are in a second trade as well. I, VIP, and the premium students, right? All right. So here we go. We spent 40 minutes here so far. We are supposed to spend like 1 hour, but it is what it is. We were not able to do that. So um, I will see you in a few minutes or few hours, right? So yeah, I wish each and every one of you a profitable week. Thank you very much for tuning in. And also make sure you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also follow us on our free Telegram channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Once more again, I'm Israel the Trader, and I'm signing out. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I wish you a profitable week, man. All right.